Hello friends, thank you for coming No Blogger Tableau class. This is Arnav Banerjee. We will learn here about the donut chart. Donut chart for the single measure. Now, donut chart is the a chart, combination of multiple pie chart. Okay, so the how a pie chart can be created, it's already discussed in the previous video. You can obviously prefer the videos, and now with the hope that you know the pie chart and I am going to create the donut chart. I will show the cells category wise in a donut chart. So I am creating a pie chart first. So I am dragging the cells in the angle and dragging the category in the color. So pie chart is prepared, and what I'll do, I need to create a field, a calculated field, just nothing much complex. It's a dummy. Suppose I'm naming it as a dummy and giving any value to just to satisfy the calculated field uh, rules, and clicking on OK, and the dummy field is created. I need to drag the dummy field into that dimension. Okay, and what I will do, I will drag the dummy in the row self. Okay, and will make it as continuous, and then again I will drag the dummy in the row self and will make it as a continuous. Then I will go for the first pie and will click on the size, and I will just increase the size little more than the other. Okay, and I'll go to the second pie and remove the cells and the all measure or fields from the mark cell, and now I will show the total cells in the level. Okay, and we'll go to the dummy in the row cell, select the second one, and select the dual axis. Now the donut chart is prepared. You can see I'm in it as an interview. This is the donut chart. Okay, thank you for the day.